Today we're gonna head towards Ebbets Pass, or Highway 4, another awesome pass headed up into the Sierra Nevadas. It goes all the way up and over to Markleyville on the eastern side of the Sierras. We're by ourselves today. We may end up going and meeting up with Brian later if we make a full loop all the way around and end up on Sonora Pass. Sounds like he's headed out there to a little camp spot up in the high elevations, trying to beat the heat. Should be about 108 today. It was definitely warm yesterday. ADV, California. Alright, here we go. Ebbets Pass open. Let's check this out. Ebbets Pass, elevation 3,000 feet. We're right at the beginning. Getting into some pine trees. Tomorrow we're taking Highway 120 and going over Tioga Pass. Check these old houses out. They did a hell of a job painting them up. Bear Valley, the grizzly bear. We might be getting into the good part now. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this. Some little sweepers. Oh yeah, these trees are big. They weren't kidding. Wow. I was starting to worry back then that this Ebbets Pass wasn't going to be as good as everybody said. You know, you can't hate Californians for that. I'll tell you that much right now. They always get out of your way and let you have your fun. You are into trees. This is the place to go. Look at all this. Looks like they had some kind of fire not too long ago, or something's going on. All the lower portions of those trees are burnt, or black anyways. Well, we just crossed over the 5,000 foot mark on Ebbets Pass. I believe this pass is about 8,000, 8,600, 8,700, something like that. ADV, California.
Hey, I'm just like you, but I'm littler.
Yeah.
That's a 400? What's the top speed? Really? That cruise is pretty good.
Well, this is a cool area. We're going to Lake Alpine, just a few miles up the road, up Ebbets Pass. So, that sign said 26% grade or 24% grade and steep curves. That usually means the road's gonna be a good one. Except for traffic's all backed up. What the heck's going on here? This might be a traffic jam. Oh, something's up here. Oh, Lake Alpine West Shore. Says you can swim over here. Let's take a look. Lake Alpine, this way. Fee area. Now we know where everybody's at. They're up here at the Lake Alpine swim area. Boy, that is a hell of a hitch for a Toyota Tacoma. Look at that hitch on that Tacoma. Holy crap. What are they hauling with that thing? Boy, I didn't see a lake at all. Oh no, map's telling me to go this way. So the Toyota Tacoma with the huge hitch, he knows where he's going. I must have made a wrong turn. Well, there must be something going on up here. This is a full-on cluster. Oh, Lake Alpine Lodge. I mean, I can only assume they call it Lake Alpine, that there has got to be some water somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's down there. Ooh, this looks like it's getting cool down here at this end. Check it out. I wonder why there's so many people here. There is a lake. Now I understand the traffic jam. Couple BMWs. I got the pontoon boat pushed right up the shore. She's using it like a dock. This place is busy, real busy. People just paddling themselves all over the place. Boy, that might be the most rafts and float boards I've ever seen in my whole life. Ebbets Pass, very steep winding roads. And those are my favorite kind. Oh, run me over, fancy car. Well, this is cool. Oh, check this out. Well, it's made it worth the trip. Oh yeah. Oh, how cool is this? Alright, now I get it. Ebbets Pass. Wow, we gotta get down here. Oh, got a picnic table too. Whoa. Here we go. I'm not slowing down here. Well, these are the Sierra Nevadas. Boy, I think we should throw the drone up right here.
Ebbets Pass, named after Major John Ebbets. This road is very steep and features countless blind corners hitting a 24% grade and should not be used by commercial traffic or vehicles towing long trailers, large trucks, buses, or RVs, as it becomes very steep and narrow with no center dividing line shortly after Reba turnoff. Tight switchbacks wind and steep around large tree trunks and truck-sized boulders. Climbing the next ridge, the eastern slope is challenging as many hairpin corners are blind and steepen suddenly at the apex, making it necessary to shift into first gear. In 1850, Ebbets initially saw the trail as a suitable route for the Transcontinental Railroad, primarily due to his observations of such little snow. However, this was likely an anomaly. Today, the highway is closed from November through May due to the excessive snow accumulation, transforming this pass into a winter wonderland. Ebbets Pass is a Butler Maps G1 road, ADV, California.
Well, here we go. Continuing on Ebbets Pass Highway. Oh, outstanding. Whew. Man, what a beautiful ride. Oh, and that cool air feels good. Well, that must have been the narrow there. Couple of hogs. Oh yeah, back to single lane again. Oh yeah. Oh, that bird coming right for me. ADV California. Oh yeah. Well, if you haven't visited California lately, I highly recommend it. What a ride! Pretty hard to beat this. Mosquito Lake. Oh, I bet it does have a lot of mosquitoes. Check this out. Now tell me you don't like California. Come on. Tell me. Tell me down in the comments how California sucks. Nobody wants to live in California. Tell me down in the comments. Explain this to me. Pacific Grade 7. Yeah, just tell me about how bad California sucks. Haha! KTM! Good luck explaining that one. This is how you build a road. This is how roads are supposed to be built. Just like this. This is just crazy. So, Utah, Idaho, Nevada, Colorado. Take notes. This is how you build a road. Oregon's got a few good ones in there. I'm so glad I took this ride today. Yeah, put Ebbets Pass way up there on your list. That is a fun ride. Yeah, I mean a real fun ride. Oh yeah, these guys are about to have some fun. There's a couple of them. Well, we made it into Tiobe Ebbets Pass Summit. Oh wow, look at those mountains out there. Oh, we gotta go over there and get a view of that. That is cool. Wow. Wow, wow. Very cool. Ebbets Pass is a fun ride. Hell yeah. Let's just call this Sierra Nevada ADV. Wow. I think I get it now. I don't know. Sonora Pass is amazing. Ebbets Pass, amazing. I can't say that one's better than the other. Look at this. The Sierra Nevadas. Boy, I knew coming on this trip that it was going to be awesome. I don't think that you can prepare for the sheer awesomeness. Try it. I think that was a scrambler loaded down for the trip. Just take that in. Now that's a view. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. And I think now we're headed towards Markleyville. What an amazing ride.